Let's start the recipe with its ingredients. First one is turmeric. It has anti-inflammatory properties useful for arthritis, anxiety and many sort of muscle pain. The second one is cinnamon powder. It has antioxidant properties, anti-inflammatory properties and mainly used in diabetes 2 type of disease. Third one is black pepper. It is mainly used in losing weight. It helps to detoxify your body and prevents cancer. And the last one is honey. Now take a pan and add 2 cups of water in it. Now bring it to boil and add 2 teaspoons of turmeric and bring it to boil again. Now pour the mixture in a cup. Use a strainer to purify the mixture. Now add a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and a half teaspoon of black pepper. Mix the solution well. The last one is to add a few drops of honey in it to enhance the taste. Again mix it and your turmeric tea is ready. It is mainly used as an anti-inflammatory effects and weight loss.